Hello, everybody. It's time once again for our weekly assembly, and today's assembly is all about the very important subject of road safety. It's so important that all of us know how to cross the road safely, and it doesn't matter whether we're in reception or year one or year two or even an adult. It's a very important life skill that we all need to know. So today I have a PowerPoint for you with some slides on, and we can have a look together at all the different things that the slides tell us, and hopefully we'll be able to maybe learn some new skills. We might already know all these things, but it's just a very good reminder of what we should be doing and how to keep us all very safe. So I'm going to play the PowerPoint and go through those with you, and hopefully we can have a bit more information and get ourselves up to date on that very important skill of crossing the road. Okay, so here we go, and we're going to go into the start of the PowerPoint. PowerPoint is all about road safety and how to safely cross the road. Today's PowerPoint that we're going to look through is all about road safety and how to safely cross the road. The road can be very dangerous. Adults can help you, and there are some special rules to follow to make sure that you can cross the road safely. Crossing the road can be very dangerous. Adults can help you, and there are some special rules to follow to make sure that you can cross the road safely. On some roads, there are things to help you cross, like zebra crossings. The red car at the top is waiting at a zebra crossing. We call them zebra crossings because the road is painted black and white, just like a zebra. And if you look, you will also see that the poles at the side of the road, they are also painted black and white stripes with a bright yellow beacon on the top. That one would flash to show drivers as they approach that it is a zebra crossing and it's a place where people would like to cross. The bottom picture shows a pelican crossing. The green car is waiting at the pelican crossing, and this one is different because the traffic lights are controlled by the people crossing the road. This is the one where you press the little button and it makes the traffic light turn to red. The drivers must let you cross when the traffic light is on red, and when the traffic light is on green, then that's when the drivers can drive through. We have a pelican crossing just outside our school. On some roads there are people to help you cross, such as a lollipop person. The lollipop person will hold up a special sign to ask the cars to stop so that people can cross the road safely. If you look, the lollipop man in the picture, he has a yellow coat with high visibility stripes across his chest and arms, and they are shown up in the driver's headlights if it's starting to get a little bit dark. That keeps him extra safe and shows the drivers that there is someone stepping into the road. As soon as he finds a safe time to step into the road, he will stand there with his sign that says stop, and he will ask you to cross safely. When you are walking on the pavement with an adult, you should hold their hand, especially when you need to cross the road. It's very much safer if you hold an adult's hand, and if you walk on the inside of the pavement, furthest away from the traffic, that also keeps you extra safe. So remember to hold your adult's hand when you're on the pavement, and especially when you do cross the road. There are some special rules to follow to help you keep safe around the roads. The first thing that you must do is to think about where you should cross. This is very, very important as it's the safest place for you to cross that you need to find. So think, where do you find a place where you can see both ways, see if the traffic's coming up the road, down the road, but also it's very important that the traffic can see you. The drivers need to know that you are there wanting to cross the road. So think very carefully and find a safe place to cross. When you find your safe place to cross, stand at the edge of the pavement. Don't step onto the road. Keep yourselves nice and safe at the edge of the pavement so you are ready to cross and the drivers can see that you are waiting to cross. Stop at the edge of the pavement and look carefully. When you are waiting to cross the road, stop, look and listen. Look up the road, look down the road and listen carefully all the time. Even if you cannot see traffic, you may be able to hear traffic approaching. So look and listen all the time. When you have found your safe place to cross, make sure that you wait for any traffic to clear and that you have a very safe, clear road to cross with no traffic passing you by. Before you cross the road, keep looking and listening to see if you can see any traffic or if you can hear any other vehicles that may be coming towards you. You can now cross the road, but keep looking and listening all the time that you are crossing the road. So children, today you have been learning how to cross the road safely, and we've gone through quite a few different PowerPoint slides that show us how the two children in the pictures cross the road carefully. Oh, let's go back and recap what the numbers mean and how the slides told us it was safe to cross. So number 1, stop and find a safe place to cross. Remember to make sure that you can see up the road and down the road, that you have a clear vision of any traffic coming towards you, and also the drivers have a clear vision of you. Number 2, stop at the side of the road. You must stand on the pavement right at the edge. You don't need to be standing into the road. Just stay safely on the pavement. Number 3, look and listen for traffic. Look up the road, look down the road and listen carefully. Can you hear vehicles approaching you? Sometimes you may see them, but also can you hear them? Number 4, when you have found your safe place to cross, make sure that you let all the traffic pass. Don't attempt to cross the road while vehicles are still going in front of you. Number 5, look and listen again. Make sure that there is no more traffic coming towards you. And number 6, safely cross the road, but keep looking and listening all the time that you are crossing the road. So children, that's today's road safety assembly, and I'm sure that you've had a really good refreshment of all the safe things we need to do to cross our roads. You can use a pelican crossing, a zebra crossing. You may even use a lollipop person to help you cross the roads. But just remember, keep holding your adult's hand extra safely, keep to the inside of the pavement, and then when you do find your safe place, remember all these things we've been learning today, and that will help us all stay safe and smart when we're crossing the roads. I've enjoyed sharing that with you today, and I hope that you have enjoyed that too and learnt some very valuable lessons. Okay, everybody, take care, keep safe, and I will be with you for another assembly very soon. Bye for now.